Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide reposts inside TikTok and whether it is possible or not. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, I'm going to open up TikTok, head on over to my profile and then click onto the hamburger icon to get into settings. So now I'm going to click on the gear icon, click onto privacy. And here is where we should be able to have the option to hide reposts from people who are currently following us or the public. So if I scroll down, there's no way to hide your reposts. So TikTok hasn't made this available just yet. They might bring it out in a future update, but there is one workaround if you want to hide your reposts. So what you can do is make your account private like so. And then people that aren't your friends won't be able to see your reposts. So only your friends can see your repost inside your TikTok account now. But if there's certain friends that you don't want to see your reposts, just remove them as a friend and then they will no longer be able to see your reposts. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. A quick workaround how to do so. Hide your repost inside TikTok. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.